If Steam is showing a 0 byte download, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get your downloads working again. This issue is often caused by a broken cache, a network problem, or a library permission issue, and the good news is that you can fix it without reinstalling Steam. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming and PC fix videos. Let's get started. The first fix is to clear the download cache in Steam. This is one of the most reliable solutions because it forces Steam to reconnect properly to its content servers. To do this, open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, select the Downloads tab. On this page, look for the button that says Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam will ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm the prompt. After that, Steam will restart automatically and you'll need to log back in with your account. Once you're signed back in, try to download again and see if the file size starts moving normally. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. Sometimes Windows can store old network information that points Steam to a bad or dead server path, and that can cause download problems. To do this, press the Windows key and type CMD into the search bar. Then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. In the black window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been flushed. After that, restart your computer completely. Once your PC turns back on, open Steam again and try to download one more time. This quick network reset often fixes stubborn Steam connection issues. If you still see the 0 byte download problem, the final fix is to repair your Steam library folder. This can help when Steam has permission issues or when the library path is not writing files correctly. Open Steam again and go back into Settings. This time, choose Storage. You'll see your library drives listed there. Next to the drive bar, click the three dots button. From the menu that appears, select Repair Folder. Steam will check the library folder and repair any issues that are preventing it from writing proper files, including those empty placeholder files that sometimes show up as 0 bytes. Give it a few moments to finish, then try the download again. In many cases, one of these three steps will completely solve the problem. Start with clearing the download cache, then flush the DNS cache, and finally repair the library folder if needed. If the download begins normally after one of these fixes, that means Steam is now connected properly and your game should install as expected. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe for more easy Steam troubleshooting tips. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video with more advanced fixes for Steam download errors, slow downloads, and stuck updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.